So what big problem in education today do you solve?
So what we find is that schools and educators are really looking for ways to connect technology to science education. And what we're doing is giving people a way to use technology that they're already familiar with, which is using iPads and iPhones, and connect it to science education. And we're doing that by connecting them to microscopes. So we're really changing that foundational exercise in science education, which is using a microscope and making it much more interactive and collaborative.
So give me an example of how this is being used to make a difference in a school or a classroom.
Sure. So we have an example of a classroom where the classroom is using traditional microscopes, and students take turns looking through the eyepiece of a microscope, sketch what they see on paper, and the instructor doesn't know whether they're looking at a scratch or an air bubble. And so introducing our cameras to their microscopes in the classroom lets students all see and interact with the content at the same time, see the world around them in a different way, and allows the teacher to really help students learn this scientific process, which is making a hypothesis, challenging those expectations, finding things they didn't expect to find and did expect to find, and really make it an interactive learning environment.
And if we want to find you on the web, where do we go?
So you could go to exolabs.com, exolabs.com.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This EdTech Minute was brought to you by the BAMI EdTech Awards. A real award, a real event, and a real honor. Help us find and recognize the best apps, teaching tools, and digital resources for 2014. To get involved, go to industry.bamiawards.com.